This 90-second video will show you how to convert a Google slide to Google Doc. And hold on to the end of the video and I'll show you a hack to do it much easier.
So when you right click on a slide with the mouse,
click copy and then go to your Google Doc and key press Ctrl V, and you're given an option to link to the presentation or paste unlinked. So when you link to the presentation, that means when you update the slide in Google Slides, it'll update in Google Docs. So we click paste, and there's your first slide. And if we go back to Google Slides, and then if we type in XXX, click outside the rectangle, we can go back here, we're given a chance to update, and there's the 3 X's that appear. Not many people realize this, but you can copy all the slides in one go into the Google Doc. So click up here and then key press Ctrl A and then press copy and then go to your Google Doc, Ctrl V, paste slides, and you can keep them linked, paste, and there's all your slides copied in one go into your Google Doc.